Hey, besties. Let's be real for a second. Weight loss can feel like a full time job, right? But what if I told you there are lazy girl hacks that actually work? Yep, I'm talking minimal effort, maximum results. No crazy gym routines, no living on celery sticks. Let's get into it. Hack 1. Drink water before meals. This one's classic but powerful. Drinking a glass of water before you eat can naturally make you feel fuller, so you end up eating less without even trying. Lazy but genius. Hack 2. Use smaller plates. Trick your brain into feeling satisfied. A smaller plate makes your portions look bigger. Mind games that actually work, girl. Hack 3. Eat slower. Put the fork down between bites. Seriously, eating slower helps your body catch up with your brain and tells you when you're full. Plus, you get to actually enjoy your food. Hack 4. Keep healthy snacks visible. If chips are staring at you, you'll grab them. But if fruits, nuts, or yogurt are in your line of sight, you're more likely to snack smarter. Out of sight, out of mouth, right? Hack 5. Switch to zero-cal drinks. Love soda? Swap it for sparkling water with a splash of lemon or flavored zero-cal drinks. You still get that fizzy fix. Without the sugar crash, without the guilt. Hack 6th batch cook. Lazy girl style. Cook once, eat healthy all week. Prep simple meals or snacks ahead of time so you don't end up ordering takeout when you're hangry. Make big batches of easy stuff like soups, salads, or roasted veggies so you can grab and go all week. Zero thinking required. Hack 7. Walk more effortlessly. No, I'm not saying start a marathon. Take calls while pacing, park a little farther, or do a 5-minute stretch before bed. Small moves add up. Trust me. Hack 8. Sleep like a queen. Underrated but so effective. Poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones. So if you're skipping sleep, your body might trick you into thinking you're starving. Prioritize those diseases. Hack 9. Swap late-night snacks for herbal tea. If you're a nighttime snacker, guilty, try sipping herbal tea instead. It keeps your mouth busy and relaxes you. Plus, it's like a cozy little hug. Hack 10th. Trick yourself with lazy workouts. Think 5-minute dance breaks, TikTok workouts, or stretching while watching Netflix. Movement doesn't have to be intense to count. See? Weight loss doesn't have to be exhausting or overwhelming. These hacks are all about working smarter, not harder. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let's chat. Lazy girl to lazy girl. And hey, if you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.